January 2016, number 5. Okay, so 5a, they've given us a right angle triangle. They've told us that ST is 6 centimeters. They have told us that WT is 14.8, and they've told us that WRS is 90 degrees. They want us to calculate, given our answer, to 1 decimal place the length of RS. So we know we can use Pythagoras Theorem. So we know that the hypotenuse squared, which would be 14.8, so 14.8 will be hypotenuse squared, will be equal to 1.2 squared plus RT squared, because we're using this right angle triangle, and this is the hypotenuse here, and this would be the A and the B. So hypotenuse squared equal to A squared plus B squared. So we put that in the calculator and we will get that 14.8 squared is 219.04 is equal to 11.2 squared, and that is 125.44 plus RT squared. So RT squared will be equal to 219.04 minus 125.44, which is 93.6. Therefore, RT is equal to the square root of 93.6, which is 9.7 to 1 decimal place meters. The next piece asks us to measure the angle RTW. So we want to get RTW, which would be this angle here. So we know that this length here, we just worked that out, and that is 9.7. Oh, sorry, right, that is RT. The question before asks us for RS. RS then will be equal to 9.7 minus 6, which gives us 3.7 meters. And now we've completed the question for 2 marks. Okay, now we want to get RTW. So to get RTW, we can use opposite and we can use hypotenuse. So if we know we're using SOHCAHTOA, and we're going to look at opposite and hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, we'll use sine. So sine of the angle, we could use any letter there, is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, the angle is equal to sine inverse of opposite over hypotenuse, which gives us, we put that in the calculator, sine inverse of 11.2 divided by 14.8, and that gives us 49.2 degrees. Okay, so the information here tells us that we have a graph below. It shows us triangle ABC, and it shows us the image A prime, B prime, and C prime, and after it undergoes a single transformation. Okay, so they want us to write down the coordinates of A, B, and C. So when we look, A is 3, 2, the x coordinate, and the y coordinate. B is 6, 2, and C would be 3, 4. And that's an easy mark for us to attain. They want us to write down the coordinates of A prime, B prime, and C prime. A prime would be 2, 3. B prime would be 2 minus 6, and C prime would be 4 minus 3. Okay, so they want us to describe fully the transformation maps ABC onto triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So we can clearly see that it is a rotation, And we know that if we are describing a rotation, then we have to say about, I'm telling the center of rotation, so it's 0, 0. The angle of rotation, 90 degrees, and which direction is it going, clockwise or is it going anti-clockwise? It's 90 degrees clockwise. We can see, and this is a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. On the graph, draw the line x equal 1. So we want to draw the line x equal 1 on the graph. So we find where x is 1 and we draw the line x equal 1. When we draw the line x equal 1, and the triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, the image of ABC, so we go back and we find ABC after reflection the line x equal 1. So A is 2 units away from the line, so A double prime will be 2 units away from the line. C is 2 units away from the line, so C double prime will be 2 units away from the line. And B is 5 units away from the line, and B double prime will be 5 units away from the line, and we can see that we get the same size triangle in a different place, and that will be our reflection for 3 marks. State one geometrical relationship among a triangle ABC, triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, and triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. We have, well, a multiple of answers we can choose from. They are congruent, they have same angles, all 3 angles are the same, all 3 lengths are the same, any one of the following would be sufficient. And that will be it to get the full 12 marks.